One of the best benefits of the Mediterranean diet at number 1 is we have an increase of heart health. There have been many studies on the Mediterranean countries that have been shown that people in these regions report a lower percentage of the population ever suffering from heart diseases in comparison to the rest of the world. This comes down to a few factors. One of them being that the Mediterranean diet limits the amount of refined carbohydrates and processed foods you can eat. Eating these foods can increase your risk of heart issues. The second is that it encourages the consumption of healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocados, and olives. Foods like these will prevent cardiovascular issues. Number 2 is that switching to the Mediterranean diet can align with your weight loss goals very easily. One of the major benefits to this diet is the way you are limited in terms of processed foods. This includes highly processed meats, anything added with sugar, and trans fats. These all definitely will add layers to that waistline. The main focus of the diet stems around whole fresh foods. These include whole grains, poultry, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and seeds. One unique factor is that it encourages more seafood like fish, which tends to carry less fats, but just as much protein compared to things like poultry and red meat. Moving on to number 3 is that the Mediterranean diet is a great diet to adopt if you're a diabetic or already have type 2 diabetes. One of the main reasons is that the diet contains a lot of fiber if followed strictly. The way this works is the diet puts the focus on consuming high fiber items like beans, legumes, and avocados. When we consume fiber, we digest it slower than normal foods. This prevents large blood sugar spikes and crashes to occur, which is something diabetics need to watch. Plus, the strictness of no processed foods and added sugar also plays a role in this as well. If you like our videos, make sure you subscribe, follow us on Instagram at healthyourself_YT, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. Coming along to number 4 is that the Mediterranean diet may be a great transition as we enter our senior years for a couple of reasons. One is that studies have proven that this diet can improve how agile we are. The clean meats such as poultry and fish provide these benefits because red meats are avoided in this diet. The nutrients it provides can improve muscle strength and bone frailty, which obviously decreases naturally as we age. Finally, at number 5, referring back to our previous point, is that the Mediterranean diet can help our physical body stay more agile, but it can also help in terms of cognitive decline as we get older. Research states that since the diet fixes cholesterol and blood vessel health, this can play an instrumental role in preventing dementia and Alzheimer's. Another study indicated that the diet contains high levels of antioxidants, which can reduce the levels of oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the main causes for Parkinson's disease. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.